Hello children, in this video we will be discussing the question answers of the ecosystem chapter. We are already done with the ecosystem chapter. Fine. So the question answers I had discussed in that some issues were there due to the old book. Okay, so we will be discussing the question answers from the new book now. Right? Almost all the questions are same apart from some questions, but then I will discuss all the questions over here, right? So to start with, you open to page number 63, okay, section 1. Name the following. Just a minute. Yeah. So name the following. First one, the living component of ecosystem. Answer, biotic component. Organisms that depend directly on plants for their food and energy. Herbivores, or you can also write primary consumers. Next, animals which feed on both plants and animals. Answer is omnivores. Relationship between two organisms such that one organism benefits sometimes at the expense of the other. Answer is parasitism. Forests that are found along the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Answer is tropical rain forest. Okay. Question number B, fill in the blanks. First one is, an ecosystem is a self-sustaining unit. Ecosystem. Next, produces from the base of the food pyramid. Producers. Next, multiple food chains connected naturally form food web. Food web. Next, animals feeding on dead or decomposing matter are called decomposers. Decomposers. Next, flora refers to plants found in an area. Flora. Okay. Coming to choose the correct option. An example of a biotic component of the ecosystem is, answer is grass. Next, heterotrophic organisms are both B and C, that is herbivores and carnivores, both are heterotrophic organisms. Next, tertiary consumers are, answer is C, animals that feed on other carnivores. Next, which of the following is an example of symbiotic relationship? Answer B, pea plant rhizobium. Next, which layer is inhabited by herbs and shrubs found in the forest ecosystem? Answer is understory layer. Okay. Coming to true or false, you have to correct the false statement by changing the first or the last word only. Okay. First one, decomposers are biotic component of ecosystem. Answer is true. Second, omnivores are organisms that break down the dead and decaying organic matter. Answer is false. In place of omnivores, you will be writing decomposers. Next, consumers help keep the environment clean and bring about recycling of nutrients. Answer is false. In place of consumers, you will be writing decomposers. Next, the energy flow along the food chain and the number of individuals at each level gradually decreases as we go higher up. True. Rhizobium is a parasite. False. In place of parasite, you will be writing symbiont. Okay. So that was about true and false. Coming to the next question. Choose the correct option and fill in the blank. First one, plants absorb solar energy and convert it into chemical energy. Okay. Next, primary consumers consist of animals that feed on plants. Next, tapeworm live in the gut and derive nutrients from man. Next, camels live in the desert, whereas seal live in the freezing condition. Next, woody climbers called vines climb on the tree to reach the sunlight. Next, temperate deciduous forest contain trees that shed all their leaves once a year. Okay. Next one, choose the odd one out and give answer. Give reason for your choice. Okay, you have to choose the odd one out and you have to write the reason why you have chosen that as odd one out. Okay, first one, air, water, bacteria, soil. Odd one is bacteria. Bacteria is the biotic component, whereas air, water and soil are abiotic components. Next, producer consumer temperature, decomposer, temperature. Odd one out. Temperature is abiotic component, producer consumer decomposer are biotic component. Next, plant, human, lion, water. Odd one is water. Water is abiotic component, plant, human, lion are biotic component. Next, pine, spruce, mahogany, fir. Odd one out is mahogany. It is found in the tropical rain forest, whereas pine, spruce and fir are found in the boreal forest. Okay, match the following. First one, plant, producer, bacteria, decomposer, cow, primary consumer, tiger, carnivore, human, omnivore. Okay, coming to section second, give reason for the following. Okay, first one, decomposers help keep the environment clean. Go to page number 55. Okay, you will be finding the answer over there on page number 55. See here, these organisms secrete under decomposers and detritivores. Okay, these organisms secrete enzyme that digests the complex organic matter of dead plant and animals, converting them into simpler nutrients such as nitrogen and carbon. The products of digestion are absorbed by the bacteria and fungi, while the nutrients are recycled into the environment. So that is the answer. Okay, next one, the energy flow along the food chain and the number of individuals at each level gradually decreases as we go higher up. I'll discuss this answer a bit later on. Go to the next one. Siberian cranes migrate long distance. Page number 59. Page number 59. Okay. Here under abiotic, just a minute. Yeah. Under temperature, the second point you can see over here. Siberian cranes migrate long distance in order to avoid harsh winters. Okay, so that is the answer. Next one. Forests found along the equator are called rainforest. Page number 61. Over here, they are called rainforest because of the abundance of rainfall more than 200 centimeter that these regions receive throughout the year. Okay, so that is the answer. Next one, explain the following terms. So you have to just explain the terms like you write the definition that time. Okay, producers, page number 54. Here you are having the producers. Okay, producers are organisms that produce their own food. These are also called autotrophs. Producers are the main source of food and energy for other organisms up till here. Okay, fine. Next one, scavengers, page number 55. Scavengers over here. Okay, scavengers are carnivorous animals that feed on remains of dead animals. Vultures and hyena are examples of scavengers. Okay. Into the next one, parasitism. Okay, page number 58. Parasitism on page number 58. Here it is. Okay, parasitism is a relationship between two organisms such that one organism benefits at the expense of other. In this case, the beneficial organism is called as parasite, while the organism which is harmed is called as host. Okay, so that is the answer for parasitism. Next one, pyramid of numbers, page 57. Pyramid of numbers, page 57. Over here you are having pyramid of number is a representation of the number of producers and consumers in a food chain. Okay, the pyramid of numbers is mostly upright as there is progressive decrease in the number of organisms at each successive level of the food chain. Okay, up to here. Right. Next one, abiotic components. Go to page number 53. Here, All the non-living physical components in fixing an ecosystem and essential for life on Earth are abiotic factors. And then you write the examples also, right? Okay.